Okay, ready? It's recording.
Is it?
Yeah.
Alright. Let's see the difference here. Now let's see what happens. Boo!
You gotta start stripping, Brittany.
Nobody's getting any tips here. No tips tonight. Oh my god. I just think we gotta hang on it with your legs.
What do you mean?
You gotta hang like sideways on it with your legs.
You wrap your spine around it.
Oh, when I went like... Wait, when I went like this? Wait, what did I do?
I feel like your back went all the way around it.
I was like that.
Yeah. Oh my god, that looks so painful. You look like a skeleton, all bent out of shape.
I can do this.
Zubat.
Zubat.
No! No!
What'd you do?
I tickled her.
Oh. No!
Your turn.
Oh god, what am I gonna
You're gonna
I can't do anything now.
You're gonna do the bad stripper.
I look even sadder than Brittany. Wait, the bad stripper. That was funny.
Okay.
I should do a spin thing like you guys do.
It's like you kick. Yeah, well, it's like you kicked the guy in the face. Oh!
It's like you giving me tips tonight, baby? No?
Okay, say bye, Ashley.
Ow, bye.